Have you ever noticed that the restrictions for credit cards vary based on where you live in Canada? It's especially common among Quebec residents, who may not pay the same interest rates, receive the same credit card welcome offers, or pay the same fees as the rest of the country's credit card customers. Sometimes a specific credit card is not even available to Quebec residents. To assist Canadians living in La Belle Province can choose the best credit card for their needs, we prepared a list of some of the top credit cards for Quebec residents. Number 1. Tangerine Money Back Credit Card, best for cashback. Yes, that's correct. The ideal credit card for cashback in Canada is one with no annual fee. The Tangerine Money Back Credit Card earns 2% cashback on spending in up to 3 categories of your choice, with a total of 10 areas to choose from. All other transactions earn you 0.5% cashback. Money back is given out on a monthly basis, and there are no spending limits for any purchase category, so your earnings are unlimited. Purchase insurance and extended warranty protection are also included with the card. The Tangerine Money Back Credit Card is also offering some incredible welcome bonuses. Apply by May 31, 2022 for a special 10% cash back rate on the first $1,000 spent with the card, $100 cash back in the first 2 months. New cardholders can also benefit from a balance transfer deal that offers a low promotional interest rate of 1.95% on transferred balances for 6 months, with no balance transfer fee for Quebec residents. Number 2. Refresh Financial Secured Card, best for bad credit. The Refresh Financial Secured Card might be a lifeline for anyone who has had difficulty getting approved for a credit card because of a history of bad credit or a previous bankruptcy. Because it is a secured credit card, you can provide the deposit. Refresh Financial requires a minimum deposit of $200 and maximum $10,000. Your security deposit acts as your credit limit and also guarantees repayment of any debt you charge to the card. The card works just like any other credit card. As long as you pay off your debt each month on time, you can progressively improve your credit score while shopping. When you apply for the Refresh Financial Secured Card, there is no credit check, and acceptance is guaranteed as long as you provide a security deposit. The card has an annual price of $49 plus $3 monthly maintenance fee, which is not bad for a card that can help you significantly improve your credit score. It should be noted that the card charges a higher than average rate of 3.5% for any purchase made in a currency other than Canadian dollars. Other expenses to be aware of include the 0.50 cent price for bill payment and the $5 fee for using an ATM, Canadian or international. Furthermore, there is a $5 fee if you exceed your spending limit, and the card will be canceled if you exceed your spending limit twice. Overall, the card has very high costs, so make sure you are familiar with the pricing schedule. Number 3. TD Aeroplan Visa Infinite Card, best for travel. The TD Aeroplan is one of the best credit cards for frequent travelers since it makes earning Aeroplan points simple. Earn up to $1,400 in value, which includes up to 50,000 Aeroplan points, a no-fee first year, and additional travel rewards. Applications must be submitted online by September 5, 2022. Here are the features and benefits. When you make your first purchase with your new card, you will receive a welcome bonus of 10,000 Aeroplan points. Earn 20,000 Aeroplan points if you spend $1,500 within 90 days of creating your account. Plus, if you spend $7,500 within 12 months of creating your account, you will receive an additional 20,000 Aeroplan points. Enroll in Nexus and receive an application cost refund every 48 months, as well as free first check luggage. In addition, the first year's yearly charge is removed. To qualify for the first-year annual fee rebate, you must activate your card and make your first purchase on the account within the first 3 months of account activation, and you must add additional cardholders by September 6, 2022. For every $1 spent on eligible gas, grocery, and Air Canada purchases, the TD Aeroplan Visa Infinite Card earns 1.5 Aeroplan points. On all other purchases, you get 1 Aeroplan point for every $1 spent. The card also includes comprehensive travel insurance, such as hotel, motel, burglary, medical, and rental car coverage. On Air Canada flights, additional benefits include a Nexus fee payback and a free check bag for the cardholder and up to 8 travel companions. Number 4. Scotiabank Gold American Express Card, best for no foreign transaction fees. The Scotiabank card is one of the few credit cards in Canada that does not impose a foreign exchange fee when making purchases in foreign currency, which can save you up to 2.5% when traveling outside of Canada or shopping online at non-Canadian sites. In your first year as a new cardholder, you can earn up to 45,000 additional Scene Plus points, worth up to $450 in travel. The Scotiabank Gold American Express earns 5 Scene Plus points for every $1 spent on grocery, eating, and entertainment transactions, making it one of the highest earn rates in the country in these areas. Earn 3 points for every $1 spent on fuel, public transportation, and streaming services. All other purchases receive 1 point for every dollar spent. In addition, the card comes with excellent travel insurance, a discounted Priority Pass subscription, and tour service. Number 5. HSBC Plus Rewards Mastercard, best for low interest. The HSBC Rewards Mastercard is highlighted by its low interest rates of 11.9% on purchases, 11.9% on advance payment, and 11.9% on balance transfers, as well as its cheap annual fee of $25. Not only that, but cardholders can earn rewards, which is unique for a low-interest credit card. Earn 2 points for every $1 spent on dining or entertainment, and 1 point for all other purchases. The card also comes with a good welcome offer for Quebec residents who apply by October 31, 2022, worth up to $200 in total value for the first year, subject to terms and limitations. Here are the features and benefits. Earn 35,000 points by keeping your account open and active for 6 months, $175 in travel value. When you begin your application online, you will receive 5,000 points, $25 travel value. Another interesting feature of the card is price protection. If you buy something with the card and then find that identical item offered for less than what you spent within 60 days of your transaction, you can get refunded up to $500 per occurrence, up to $1,000 annually. This deal is only available to Quebec residents of Canada other than the province of Quebec eligible for separate offer. Number 6. BMO Cashback Mastercard for Students, best for students. As long as you apply by December 6, the student version of the BMO Cashback card offers no annual fee and a welcome offer of 5% cash back in the first 3 months up to a maximum of $100 money back. The card offers 3% cash back on groceries and 1% on recurring bill payments such as streaming services or subscriptions. On all other purchases, you earn 0.5%, no maximum. The BMO Cashback Mastercard has a very flexible redemption policy, allowing you to either deposit your cash back into a BMO account, checking, savings, investor line, or apply it to a statement credit. The card comes with a slew of student-centric perks, such as a free credit score from CreditView, as well as extended warranty and purchase protection. Road journeys become more reasonable with the card's up to 25% discount on rentals at eligible National Car Rental and Alamo Rent-A-Car locations. You will also receive a 15% discount on Cirque du Soleil shows in Canada and a 20% discount on resident shows in Las Vegas. When it comes to credit cards, why is Quebec different from the rest of Canada? Credit card restrictions covering fees, interest rates, minimum payments, and other factors are frequently different for Quebec residents due to the province's various credit card laws. Quebec's Consumer Protection Act is one of the most important legislation affecting credit cards. The act regulates what is allowed in contracts, such as a credit card agreement between a merchant, such as a credit card firm, and a consumer, a credit card user. A new law went into effect in August 2022, required Quebecers to pay at least 2.5% of their credit card balance each month. Previously, credit card users in Quebec only had to make a minimum payment of 2%. The monthly minimum payment will continue to rise until 2025, when Quebec residents will be obligated to pay at least 5% of their outstanding balance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification. Business Snap. Finance and investing updates.